Azure provides tools designed to take raw data and return it as a sorted and ready machine learning model, completely automatically. But relying on an automated system without knowing how to verify its logic is a guaranteed way to fail the AI-900 exam. That tool is AutoML. When you upload a dataset, you often don't know whether a decision tree, logistic regression, or a neural network will yield the best results. AutoML iterates through these different algorithms and tunes their mathematical parameters for you, requiring no manual coding. This functions like a chef testing dozens of ingredient combinations in a mixing bowl. You don't need to know the chemistry of baking or the precise measurements required. You simply let the chef iterate until the result reaches the desired flavor profile. For the AI-900 exam, you must recognize when this speed is appropriate. AutoML is the correct choice in scenarios involving beginners with limited coding experience, teams requiring rapid deployment, or projects that demand automatic model optimization. By cycling through thousands of algorithm and parameter combinations, AutoML identifies a high-performing model far faster than a human could. However, the final responsibility falls on you to audit the results and prove the machine's selection actually works in reality. Evaluation is the process of auditing that logic. It works like a teacher grading a final exam. They analyze the specific patterns in the mistakes the student made to determine where their reasoning failed. The most basic evaluation metric you will encounter is accuracy. This measures the simple percentage of correct predictions out of the total number of attempts. This grid represents a population of 100 people taking a medical test for a rare disease. 99 of these individuals are healthy, marked in gray. Exactly one person, highlighted in red, actually has the condition. If a model simply defaults to guessing no disease every single time, it will receive a correct result for all 99 healthy figures, but the one actual patient is missed entirely. The system receives a label declaring it 99. On the exam, these two metrics are the most common points of confusion. Precision measures the correctness of the model's positive predictions. Recall measures the coverage of the actual positive cases. If accuracy is the overall GPA on a report card, precision and recall are the individual grades for specific subjects. They show exactly where the model excels and where its coverage fails. Precision ensures your model is right when it decides to act. Recall ensures your model finds every target it is supposed to catch. Let's apply this to AI-900 exam scenarios. If a question describes a medical diagnosis tool, missing a sick patient is the greatest risk. In that case, you must optimize for recall to ensure every case is found. If the question describes an automated spam filter, losing a critical business contract in the junk folder is the primary concern. In that scenario, you must optimize for precision to ensure only real junk is flagged. This matrix maps the core terms to their exam keywords. Automatic model selection leads to AutoML. General performance means accuracy. Avoiding false positives requires precision, and avoiding missing positives requires recall. The certification test measures your ability to match these mathematical metrics to the specific real-world risks described in the prompt. You can find links to full practice resources in the description. Now let's look at 3 typical exam questions. This interface shows question 1. Which Azure feature automatically selects the best machine learning model for your data? The answer is A, AutoML. Question 2. In a spam filter system, which metric is more important? Since you want to avoid flagging genuine emails, the answer is C, precision. Finally, question 3. In a medical diagnosis model, why is recall important? Because missing a patient is the highest risk, the answer is A. You can find the official AI-900 study PDFs and mock tests in the pinned comment. In the next video, we will break down AI model deployment inside Azure. Mastering these scenario mappings eliminates exam anxiety. It proves you understand the tools, the math, and the real-world consequences required to be a reliable cloud practitioner.